Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Kroger to get some amazing deals. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 money makers. These money makers, guys, are going to be used to pay for other items in our trip. Guys, please make sure that if you are not subscribed to my channel, that you click that red subscribe button and also click the notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. Also, join me on Instagram and on Facebook at Praising and Saving. All right, guys. Also, on top of that, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Click on the description box and then scroll down till you see printable breakdown. That breakdown shows you everything that I'm going to be showing you in this video, so you don't have to write anything down. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some great deals at Kroger. So the very first thing that we're getting today at Kroger is going to be an insane moneymaker. Now these Frutella soft gummies, they're supposed to be on sale for $1.50. Now it says $1.99, but it's supposed to be $1.50. If it is not $1.50, I will tell you later on. But these Frutella soft gummies, usually I can find them in the candy section, but this is going to be in my bulk candy section, like where the big bags and things are. So if these were $1.50 like they're supposed to be, there is Shopkicks with scans and kicks is 630 scans and kicks, which is $2.52 you'll get back on Shopkick, making this a $1.02 money maker. If you are not part of Shopkick and you would like to download the app, please check out my referral link in the description box. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. But these Frutella gummies are just going to be a moneymaker of $1.02. They have this one is, I don't know what flavor these are. That one's pineapple mango. That one's raspberry, apple, strawberry. My store is totally out of these, but this is a great deal on the Colgate Total Clean Mint. This is the 3.3 ounces. These are usually $4, but they're on sale for 99 cents with the weekly digital. And I've checked everywhere there and also over here, and we're totally wipe clean, but I will try to come back. Wait a second. There's some right there. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so never mind. This is on the weekly digital for 99 cents. And you can pick up 5 of these. So all you do is you can scan that right there. Your Kroger app will come up and you can get these will be 99 cents, and you can do this up to 5 times, but it has to be in one transaction. So I'm going ahead and picking these up for an easy digital deal. Just 99 cents for the Colgate Total 3.3 ounce using that digital coupon. The next thing we have is a total freebie. All right, so these U by Kotex pads, they've got all different kinds. This is the 12 count all-nighter, but then my store is out of some of these other ones over here. So what you're gonna do is, this is a weekly digital deal. Because it is a weekly digital deal, that $1.99 plus this $4 off coupon can come off. So what you're going to do for this deal is you're going to pick up 2 of these boxes. Make sure you scan that barcode right there so it comes off. And then, so that'll be $4, and then you'll use this $4 coupon, which makes it totally free. Now, here's the deal with Kroger. Kroger will only take 3 of the same coupons. So I can use 3 coupons and pick up 6 boxes. Because 3 times 2 is 6, of course. 6 boxes using 3 coupons. They will not let you use more than that. This is a great all digital freebie deal. So these Skintimate shave gel are usually $3.69. They're on sale for $2.99, and they're part of the mega for $1.99. So we're going to pick up one of these at $1.99. There is a $1 digital coupon on the Kroger app that will come off. Just make sure that you check that off on your Kroger app. And then also IBOTTA is giving back a $1. Now, you can do this deal on Ibotta up to 3 times, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to get one and make it a total freebie. So, Kroger Digital, $1. Ibotta rebate, $1. Makes this free. All right, loving this deal on the Suave body wash. These are usually, well, they're on sale for $1.99, and with the mega deal, they're 99 cents. And then we also have this $1 coupon. Now guys, usually the rule of thumb at Kroger is you can only use 3 of the same coupons, but because it is one of those coupons that says a limit of 2, then I would only use 2 at the register, and these actually expire on Saturday, so you try to get them used up Friday and Saturday. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these Suave body washes at $2. We're gonna use this $1 coupon, bringing it down to $1 when you buy 2, or about 50 cents when you buy 2. So I'm going ahead and picking these up for 50 cents each. The next thing we're getting are these Febreze Unstoppables Touch Fabric Spray. These are usually $5.99, but we're getting them just for 99 cents today. So they're on sale for $4.99, but with the mega event, they're $3.99. We have this high value $3 coupon that just came out in this month's P&G. And so it says on there, try the Febreze, whatever. And so they're trying to get you to try a different product, a new product. So making these just 99 cents after that $3 coupon. And you can only use 2 of these coupons in a transaction. So I'm going to pick up 2 and use 2 of these coupons, making each one just 99 cents each. So I was going to pick up some of the Pop Secret popcorn at $2.79, but this Cousin Willie's is only 79 cents. It's a 3-pack in there. And so this is a 6-pack, right? And these are $2.79. Getting the 3-pack, if I got 2 of the 3-packs, that's still cheaper than getting the Pop Secret box. So I'm definitely going to pick these up at 79 cents each. This is part of the mega deal. You don't have to buy 5 since you already have, you know, other items in your cart that are mega items. As long as you buy 5 mega items, mix and match, it doesn't matter. So that is going to be the movie theater butter. They've got the kettle corn kind that's 79 cents. So, and then they have this one that back there is called Buttery Explosion. So anyways, I'm picking these up 79 cents each on the mega. Alright guys, you guys know the deal. I always get these for my kiddos when they're on sale, and it's crazy because these are $1.29 and they used to be 99 cents on Mega. So they went up 30 cents in the past couple months. But anyway, still picking them up, still need them for lunches. Go ahead and stock up while you can. Alright, so super excited about this cereal deal. I'm hearing everybody post about it. These are on the Kellogg's large size, okay? So you'll see large size on the box. And I think most of them are going to be the 14.7 ounces for the deal. So they're usually $4.49. They're on sale for $3.19. And then there is a weekly digital deal for $1.69. Scan that. You can do this deal up to 5 times in one transaction. So $1 per box. So what you're going to do is get these for $1.69. I'm going to get 2 boxes. It's going to equal $3.38. We're going to use this $1 coupon when we buy 2 of them. That's going to make it $2.38. And then we have the IBOTTA rebates that are 50 cents off or back. We can do that deal up to 2 times, making this just $1.38 or 69 cents per box of Fruit Loops. So 69 cents per box of Fruit Loops is cheaper than what we usually get when we go to CVS. So this deal's a little bit different. This is part of the buy 4 or more. And so I had to buy 4 of these to make it work. And they're going to be $1.99 each. So the Tostitos are $1.99 each. The Dorito products, all of those things. And I'm just showing you right now the scoops and different things that you can get. But you have to buy 4 of this promotion for it to work. And there'll be $1.99 each. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the Tostitos and 2 of the Doritos at $1.99 each. Making this a really great deal because I think these were like $4.30 something at Walmart. Got a great deal on this Nature's Own perfectly crafted sourdough bread. I love this bread. It's so good to make a yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We've had a lot of great deals on bread this week, so I need to make sure that I am making some sandwiches at home for my kiddos. These are usually $4.29 each. They're on sale for $2.99. We do have a $2 IBOTTA rebate, making these just 99 cents each. And this can be done up to 5 times on IBOTTA if you're willing to stock up on this bread. But of course, I'm not going to do that. But yeah, $2.99. Submit to IBOTTA for $2. It's only going to be 99 cents after the submission. All right, so we have a really great deal on this Envy apple. It's going to be a money maker. I know it's kind of funny because I'm just buying this one lonely apple here. So they are $1.99 a pound, but my actual apple, because it's $1.99 a pound, is only going to cost 92 cents. So my apple is 92 cents. We're going to submit to Shopkick for 350 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.40. So because it is equivalent to $1.40, we're actually going to have a money maker on our hands of 48 cents. So this apple is going to pay for something else. So 48 cents will pay for something else, money maker on this Envy apple. We haven't bought these in such a long time in our house because these things can get pretty pricey if they're not on sale, and we never have coupons for these. So these Lunchables are usually $3.49. They're on Kroger sale for $2.50. We're going to submit to Shopkick for 525 scans and kicks. Do not forget to scan them in the store. And that's going to give us back $2.10. When that gives us back $2.10, we'll be paying only 40 cents out of pocket. So we're saving over $3 on these Lunchables that my kids love. Only 40 cents. Now, this Lunchable is going to be a money maker. These are like the single Lunchables without the Capri Sun. They're usually $1.99, but they're on sale for $1.25. So what we're going to do is submit to Shopkick for 325 scans and kicks. Don't forget to do your scans in the store. That's going to give us $1.30 back, making this a 5-cent money maker. My kiddos were pretty happy when I brought this home, especially being a total money maker on this. No coupons needed, just scan it, and I also submit to Shopkick. So we have a nice little money maker on this So Delicious dairy-free ice cream. I think I'm going to pick up this one right here, the cookies and cream one. They've got butter pecan, vanilla, chocolate, s'mores, vanilla. Ooh, what's that one down here? That one's peanut butter brownie. That's no, thank you. Bananas Foster, very vanilla. They're $5.49 each, but we have an IBOTTA rebate for $5.99, making that a 51 cent money maker from IBOTTA. No coupons needed, just submit to IBOTTA, and it'll be a 51 cent money maker on the So Delicious ice cream. We got this deal the other day at Publix. We're going to get it again because the Totino's pizza roll IBOTTA rebate is back in my gallery. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these at $3.99. We have a 75-cent digital coupon that will come off. Make sure that you load that in your Kroger app, which will bring this down to $3.24. And then we have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate. With that 50-cent IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make these pizza rolls just $2.74 per pack.